So we are live, and good day, everyone. Happy New Year to everyone who are watching and from wherever corner of the world that you are tuning in from. I'm Felicia from Malaysia, and thank you for being in my page all this while. And today is 7. Today is 7th of January, and we are morning here at 10 o'clock. Again, I wish all of you a happy new year. Starting a new year, many of us may have set goals. Some of us have goals that is brought forward from last year, which we have not accomplished them. And some of us, we have accomplished them, and we are moving forward, and we are setting new goals for ourselves or even for our family or our career. But we do know that nothing is permanent. Some of us may shift work and so require us to travel and move, and some of us will become distancing from our family. Some of us would have a better living that where we have our family and friends together with us to support us. And today we are going to continue on this session, which is all about building a better future. And we are on to talking about having a better future, how you build it through having to start a digital business, and what this digital business can do and transform your life. So why is it digital business? Because it is affordable, attainable, and sustainable, and many more. It can also help you to because all the system and the training side, the tools that you needed, is all set there for you to use, and you don't have to scratch your head where you want to start and how you can begin it. So these are all built by the experts and has been proven for many years. So today I have privileged to have another special guest with us this morning. She is Jeneline Peter. As I know that where she is originally from the Philippines, but she is currently residing in Guam, USA. Her time is 2 hours ahead from us, so she probably is noon now at her side. So without further ado, let us welcome Jeneline to come on stage with us. Hello, Jenny. Thank you for coming in to join me on my business page for this morning interview session. So before we begin with some of the questions that I prepared to interview you, I would like to pass this time to you so that you can introduce yourself briefly to our audience. So
Yes. Hello. So good afternoon from Guam. But yes, I'm Jeneline, originally from the Philippines. I've been living here in Guam for more than 17 years now. I am a mom and a wife. And yes, I am a proud digital online business owner as well. And I am an employee myself. And I am actually eldest of 8 siblings also. And yes, that is back a little story of me.
Okay. Thank you. And so, if you are ready, so let us begin. So, I come to know that where previously you were working, juggling a few jobs.
Two
Uh,
jobs, correct.
one of it is bartending. Are you still on this job?
Server, yes.
Okay. So my question for you is that from bartending to this digital entrepreneurship, can you share the moment and experiences that inspire you to transition from being a bartender to launching a digital business? Uh, and what challenges did you face during this career shift? And how did you overcome them?
And so, like I said, I've been living here in Guam for more than 17 plus years. And I've been working as bartender and server for many years. I work daytime and nighttime, and I have a one daughter, and I miss many milestone in her life. And for those of you who is watching us right now, and you have idea of being Filipino in my culture, that I became a breadwinner as an oldest sister of 8 siblings. So I focus on. I thought to myself that working, multiple jobs, save as much as I can, would make a difference. And at the end of the day, I've realized that I missed so many milestones in my daughter's life, and she is now 17 years old. But I actually found this business as I come to a point in my life that I pray to God. I pray to God for a solution, for a way out to how I can manage to still earn and have more family time, especially to be present in my daughter's life. And I found this business back in 2022 while I was on my social media. And I thought to myself, I pray to God for a solution, and He showed me a sign. I have this very um, moment in my life that, it's only me and God what I pray for Him. And it shows me, I saw that sign in this ads that I saw in social media, and I said, there's nothing wrong if I will try and check it out, but at first I was so scared and skeptical because it was online. And
Mm,
the fact that, for me, all I know is to work as bartender and server, and I don't have any business experience or business background. I'm not even a tech savvy, and I'm not very active in my social media, honestly. And when I found this business, it just so overwhelming, and challenges is it was really hard. I mean, if you are a mom and you are a wife and you have also a job, I mean, two job at least for me, it's it's crazy. And when I realized to myself that this is what I've asked God for, so I investigate the business, and I've learned that it is very flexible. We have an AC access to video training that I can access anytime I want, even though with my busy schedule. It's so amazing that for me personally, I still can't believe that I'm doing this business, honestly. I mean, until this time today, right now, I can't still believe myself that I'm doing this business despite all my busy schedule, and it's just crazy. But I'm so proud, and I'm so grateful to God that I come to found this business.
yeah. Uh, So great to hear from you. You sounds vulnerable and honest and sincere in your sharing. Um, yes, I could imagine that you are juggling two jobs, and people like me, I was only juggling one job, but it's just that it's a long hours. So being a mom, being a wife, and the responsibility, the burden that we carry with us is sometimes very overwhelming. Like as you say, we don't know what's the best word to put there, but sometimes it's so crazy, and sometimes we could even, you know, just tears it out to release ourselves when we are alone with God. It's true. It happened to me also several times, and what I discovered is that uh, every single journey in our life there is a moment of sadness, disappointment, struggles, and which require us to put attention in it. And there is a purpose that why such thing happen in our life. And look at you today. You are a successful business owner, which, like you say, you never thought that. It's like we are still dreaming. I'm
Mhm.
I'm I also can't believe that I'm coming into social media. I'm using social media. I was something like what you say. I was also not a social media person. In fact, I don't even like to touch my laptop or handphone and all this. But here am I right now. We are together the same that we coming out from our comfort zone. And the
Yes.
main reason I see was our big why.
Yeah.
Your why was your only daughter, and
Yes.
she is already 17 years old. And that mom guilt throughout the years when you are busy working, I could feel that because I felt the same way as well. Looking at our children when they are young, small, that's the adorable moment, but we are always so limited the time with them.
Yep.
And the full focus attention was looks like even though we work because the priority is that to bring in the financial support to the family. But
Yes.
we need to sacrifice that time and moment with them, that which is so precious to people who are beginner, especially those who are having uh, babies right now and have to still juggling with their job. So it is indeed very heavy for a mom and a wife. But thank God that you found this business. And well, thank you. So I shall move on. Let's see. This digital business, we know that it just don't just transform individuals' life, but it often have ripple effects on families and communities. How has your journey inspired or impacted your family and friends, or even others in your immigrant community to pursue their own dreams? Maybe you would have shared this opportunity with someone among your friends or your community. How are they taking it?
Honestly, I doing this business. Um, for me personally, I don't bug. I don't try and and ask my friends or family to see this check this business out. I've investigate and I study how the business work. And me personally, I was also scared to pursue my dream, honestly. So before I found this business, like I said, I come to a point in my life that I realized I needed something, a solution. And I realized to myself that at the end of the day, this is my dream. And my dream is to be present in my daughter's life while I still can, because now she's 17 years old. And you know I don't know how, I know very well to myself that very soon she will have her own family as well. But I told myself that if I will not do something about my dream, no one else will do it for me. So I've really, and also uh, a little background of me, I did not graduate high school in the Philippines. When I get here to Guam, I got my GED. So I don't have no college degree whatsoever. So I'm so scared to to get out of my comfort zone, to get out to do something new because for me, I thought to myself that I don't think I can do it. I'm really scared to do and pursue my dreams. But that moment in my life that I've realized this is not right anymore. I had enough. It has to have something. There's gonna be something out there that I can do that not only will give me a purpose to carry on, but I've learned so much. I mean, oh my God, in this business, I have learned to develop myself. I have learned to grow my mindset that I did not know existed in me. A person like me, personally, that I can say that I never have dreamed to pursue my dreams at all because one of my biggest fear is to get out of my comfort zone, to share my story because I don't know, like, what is so interesting about my life in the first place. That was me before, like that's how I look at myself honestly. And then when I found this business 2 years ago, I gained my confidence in myself. I become comfortable to talk about my life, to share about my story. And thinking about it now, oh my God, I have so much to be grateful for. And I am beyond grateful and thankful to God that I found this community. So if someone out there, like for me, actually, if someone out there who is looking for a solution, a way out, and you are still dreaming, hear me now. When you dream and you don't do something about it, no one can do it for you. You have to help yourself, you have to learn, and you have to educate yourself to do and pursue your dream because at the end of the day, trust me in this, no one can do it for you but yourself.
Thank you so much. That was a wonderful sharing. Yeah, I do feel the same way actually. It's kind of discomfort to publish ourselves. Look like, who are we? Uh, why would anyone interested about our story?
Right.
Everyone is busy about their own life, and then, but here we are, coming out from our comfort zone is not easy. But here we are, is not to convince anyone, but we are
Mhm.
just here to share genuinely from our heart that what this business could possibly that can do for you. So we do hope that you check it out. And like what Jenny Lynn shared, uh, I also don't like to go back on anyone. I don't really like to do marketing. In fact, from that comfort zone of being introvert, being quiet, I have to learn to get out. Sometimes when even we are in the church community as well, as much as we like to keep silent and quiet, but there is this uh, spirit that, Holy Spirit that is speaking to us, making us to make that brave move, that boldness to come out from that fear, to overcome it. So thank you once again, and we move on to our last and final question. So, Janeline, many people are watching us today now at this moment, and they might be wondering if a digital business could even work for them too. And based on your experience, what makes this opportunity different, and how can it help others build a better future for themselves and their family?
Okay. As I shared, I work as a bartender and a server, and working two jobs was not easy. So, but then again, like I said, for me personally, based on my experience, when I found this business at first, I was scared myself. But what I did was I studied the business, I investigated and how it worked. And when I realized that, oh my God, this business is just so amazing that with internet, as long as I have an internet and I have my smartphone and my laptop, I can run the business. And because of the internet and the technology that is happening, that we have now in this generation, the business is running in the background 24/7, even when I'm asleep, even if I'm in my work, even if I'm with my daughter. And actually, even when I was traveling, since I found this business in 2022, I was able to travel to the Philippines, and I carry this business with me. I was able to go to Canada for the first time. I went to Canada, in Japan as well. And I was also able to travel to Australia last September last year with my daughter, because my daughter is basketball. Well, she's an athlete, so she play a lot of sports. So I was able to travel to Australia with her and carry the business with me, and that's how flexible this business is. And even if like I'm
Amazing.
at work, the business is running in the background. So that's so amazing about this business for me personally, based on my experience, having a business that you can manage from anywhere with an internet. It's just so amazing having a business in the background working, and running in the background while you are spending more time with your family, with your loved ones. I thought to myself, after 17 years of me living here in Guam, where was I all this time? That this is amazing. Oh my goodness. It's, if you are
Yeah.
watching right now and you think that I know I have that feeling as well, that we are scared. For me, at first when I started this business, I was also scared to start doing this business because it's online. And I have this story. My husband is actually a school teacher, and he is an army reserve. He's in the military as well. And he is telling me this story that he don't want to be online in a social media platform or whatever platform, because especially for him being in the military background, people are gonna get information out of you because you are out there online. And I told myself, he may be right. In the on that part, he is correct. But when I studied this business, and I've learned how this work, and I thought to myself, it's really something something that, if you want to do a business that is very flexible and tax registered, and this is legitimate, and the travel that the expense, whatever travel I've done, it's tax write off. And I thought to myself, oh my God, it's just so amazing that where can I found that business. And that this business is also, your office can be anywhere. Like I said, it's very flexible as long as you have internet. And the only thing that I can share here also, that if you are someone who is watching, that you are still scared to try and check a business because this is online, I would say that you need to investigate it, learn it, and do your own research, and see how globally this business, and how amazing this opportunity is. That's all for me. Yes.
Yeah. Thank you for stretching that out. Yes, this is a legitimate business. When I first saw the ad of my mentor as well, uh, I could feel her sharing uh, the sincerity and the genuine. Somehow, we follow our conscience as well. And when I register into the website and I look through the webinar, I try to understand how is the business model. So affiliate marketing way. As I mentioned, I'm not a marketing person, so but I try to understand it as well. And somehow, uh, because we wanted so much to change, and there is inside of me, I'm looking for that change and that new exploration, like it, to explore new things. Because all my 30 over years I've been dedicated to work in a bank, and it's not that the job is not good, and I mean the job has also shaped us to who we are today. But it's just that one big moments that we miss out is the milestone of our children, and that is
Yeah.
something when once we missed it, we cannot reverse or redo everything again. So
Yep.
that's why we have this platform that is sharing with everyone who you are watching us this morning and this day, wherever you are in the part of the world today. Um, Again, it is just sharing an opportunity to you that you should check it out and just register your name and email address into my website, and then you'll be able to watch the complimentary webinar.
Yep.
Find out further, try to understand this business, and if you have any further question, you can just always message me or even email me. So that will be all for our sharing. We just hope that where you will take this opportunity uh, to start today, to start right now. Think about it. What is holding you back for so long? Like for Jenny Lin, her story, 17 years, 2 years back, that means your daughter was at the age of 15, then you found this only we come to aware that no, it's enough, and then you wanted that change, then only you finally take that action, that leap of faith to do something out of the box. And that's where how when you are with the prayer, with the trust, and you believe in yourself, and there you are, you done it. And so for myself, I'm still in progressing, I'm still in learning, and I would say that the training side, it is so super organized, and everything that we needed is there. And especially the community support, it is very amazing. Just the past week, I just met with my in physical in with two of our coaches from Singapore, because they
Mhm.
happened to come here to attend one of the members' wedding. So
Oh,
with with that and some of the other business partners, so we gather and we managed to meet them. They are so, I don't know,
no.
funny. It's funny, and they are just so genuinely, and just we just go live. My first time experience all these, and it's wonderful. Actually, it's wonderful. So we hope you are inspired by the story that Jenny Ling has shared with many of us today. And again, it's a great way, and take this opportunity to see if this business fits you and the lifestyles that you are searching for. Of course, we have to start somewhere. So you start by registering yourself, your name and email address into the website, and you'll be able to watch the webinar. And don't let the fear hold you back, uh, because this is a legitimate business and that has changed so many lives. I've heard their stories actually. Sometimes I tears with them as well. Wow, you think that your life is so hard. There are so many people around the world, their life is even more harder than me. So that really encouraged me. And you have nothing to lose, but so much to gain. So if
Yeah.
you have any question, do feel free to message me anytime. And so the link is there. So step out so may that we not feel any regrets where because life is short, truly indeed.
Yes.
So thank you, Jeneline, once again. Thank you for showing up, uh, for coming live with me on my page. And I wish you all the best. And to you and your family and your husband, uh, I would only say God bless and may all your wishes come true. So continue to thrive and build a better future. Thank you once again.
Thank you, Felicia, for having me.
Thank you for coming. So, everyone, we see you again on our next session. Thank you for joining us today.